All right, this will be the elevator at Fondren Library Center. This will be a better retake since I only just took a trip down and up and got off the last time. This is a vintage Otis. And today we're joining with Emma and Ben.
Hello.
That door needs some work.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's kind of loud. Oh man, what's the beeping for?
That's the sensor. Like if you're in the way, like see, look, watch this. It'll close. Look at this. See, wait till it closes. Or you might have. Oh, there it goes. See. It's just a sensor. It tells you like you're in the doorway.
I like how the arrows light up whenever you press a floor. Like when you just press 3, the green arrow lit up.
Yeah. And look at this. This is green and this is red. Christmas, isn't it?
Yep.
We'll come back down to B again, but we're gonna end the video on 3.
Okay. Is that where the dumbwaiter is?
No, that's where we asked permission to ride the Stacks elevator. I did that last time.
Okay.
Now, guys, I'm not sure if we're able to get on the Stacks elevator. I will put an update in the description down below. What do you think of that motor?
Pretty cool.
Did you hear it whistle?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was whistling.
All right, listen as we go down.
Nothing's really changed about this cab. I think it used to be like, what do you call it? Did it used to be like beige, bronze colored or something? when I first
Something,
filmed?
I think yellowish, I think.
Yeah, that's when I first filmed it. The doors were a different color, and yeah, the cab was probably a different color as well when I first filmed it before they remodeled this place.
Now we're gonna end the video on the 3rd floor.
Okay.
Door close and press the button. I love that.
Instant door close, I should say.
Sure does. Now I'm just gonna stop my camera when I get off on the 3rd floor just so I can save my memory card.
You can borrow one of my memory cards if you like.
Yeah, but I'm not really sure if it's the same exact one.
Okay, because I got plenty of them in my pocket.
All right, let's watch the button go out or the arrow. You like Christmas?
Oh yes, it's the best.
All right, that'll be it.